What's up guys, Equi here with you guys today, doing an unboxing video in an unusual place here because I'm actually at my apartment near my university. This is a Motorola One 5G Ace. So this is Motorola's new sort of budget 5G smartphone. It actually looks pretty nice. This was a Costco special. It was available for $399, so $400 at Costco. This is in Canada, of course. United States availability, I'm not entirely sure, but yes, this is in Costco. And now, I picked this up because I kind of wanted to experience a 5G phone. I do have a 5G SIM plan on my current iPhone XS Max. I might switch SIM cards because I do have my Toronto SIM card, of course, in my iPhone, but I also have it's almost a 4-year-old Xiaomi phone. It's from China. This one has a London SIM card. It's a prepaid SIM, but it does have, I'm pretty sure it has 5G if you do enable data. So I could also insert that and use this new Motorola phone as my London phone as opposed to my Xiaomi. So you can see here I have my Xiaomi device. You can see it's getting older. It's got an enormous notch on the top, just like the iPhone, but there's also a huge bezel at the bottom, which is very interesting. The back has a simple camera design and a fingerprint reader as well. The Motorola, on the other hand, has a full screen display with just a very small little dot on the top for the camera. So we'll go ahead and unbox this right now and see how it looks. I'll grab a pair of scissors here. Underneath there's just a little thing here where you can slice. Probably do it this way, there we go. And the box should just slide open like that. On the top here, you're gonna have a little tab, and the phone itself is inside here. Pretty hefty actually, it feels pretty premium. Put that aside for now. Inside the box, you'll see there's a little tab here. You can pull this up. And inside here, you're gonna have some information, including a SIM ejection tool, which I'm gonna need for today, and some setup information and warranty information inside here. Inside the setup manual, you can see here, it explains some of the details about the phone itself and how to insert the SD card and the SIM card before powering on the phone. Of course, I'll be powering on the phone before I insert these as I wanna see the software in general first. But other than that, that's sort of giving you an idea how the phone will work. At the bottom here inside the box, you're gonna notice they're gonna include a power adapter for the wall. This is a US socket, as well as a USB Type-C connector, which is good to see. USB Type-C is the way to go. Unlike Apple, of course, yes, they do include your wall adapter. So that's it for the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. Here is the device. It's wrapped in plastic. So we can go ahead and peel this. This should just peel open like so. And the phone will slide out of its casing. You can see here that it's actually very shiny on the back, and it appears to have a fingerprint sensor as well. On the front, the phone is of good size and it is comfortable in the hand. This phone is comparable in size to my iPhone XS Max, which is being used to record audio right now. And the button controls are pretty similar to that of the Xiaomi. This is the Xiaomi on the left, and on the right is the new Motorola. You can see here that the button configuration is pretty similar, volume and power. At the bottom, we do have a headphone jack on the Motorola, whereas the headphone jack for the Xiaomi is at the top of the device. At the top of the device, you do have a microphone on the Motorola and a microphone and infrared blaster on the Xiaomi. On the back, you can see here we have a 48 megapixel quad or triple camera system with a flash unit, whereas on the Xiaomi we have a dual camera system with a flash unit as well. Powering on the Motorola, you press and hold the side button here, and the device will power on. You can see at the bottom it says powered by Android, and you'll notice the full screen as it kicks on. So now that the device is fully set up, you can see here that the interface is pretty similar to a standard Android device. You have your two different wallpapers from the beginning, interfaces from the beginning, and in the case for Motorola, we have a very similar iPhone style swipe up from the bottom system. So you can see this little blue dot in the corner. When you swipe up, you have your app drawer. So as for the device itself, it is a standard Android device, which means that anyone should be pretty familiar with it. So I'm not gonna go ahead and do a review of Android. There's lots of videos out there for that. This is the Motorola One 5G Ace. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Tech Boot.